Okay, so it is a beautiful day. It's snowing very hard. You guys can tell. And it's Christmas, yay! And here is our new addition that was supposed to be here. She's very pretty. I wish you guys could see her. She's beautiful. And there's my baby brother. And he is. And this is what my baby brother got. He got a cute vacuum. Now let's go see what the bigger kids are doing. Got this too.
Ooh, these are cute. Where'd you find
that's yours, honey.
That's
this one.
Me.
Where'd you find them?
Yes.
Got the dolphins.
Does it feel like it's got something in it?
And
they're cute.
there's my mom.
Look at my new shoes.
Ooh, are they soft?
Yeah.
Ooh,
They're way
they're
cute.
cute. What's the design on
And
them?
Papa.
Like Southwestern?
Yeah.
And
They're very cute.
I think that'll do it. Let's see.
Deckers.
here she is.
Alright.
And
What is it?
oh,
Spiderweb?
Yeah.
For the truck?
no, my piggies.
Those are the best. That's as much as I
Last
Okay.
but not least, do I need to get Pop-Up's big present?
Do you need to go help her?
Why don't you
I'll
get
go
it
get
for
it.
Simon?
Yeah.
Oh, he's
I
gonna
don't
love
know
it.
who's more excited about it, you or my children?
Where's Beckham?
I got it.
You got a job.
Where did
Okay,
Beckham go?
so
Oh,
That way.
remember him?
Yeah. Oh, Beckham. I think did we put him in the garbage? Oh, this is Pop-Up too. You can open this while you're
I'm
waiting.
just gonna bring it through the front door. I think
Okay.
it'll be easier.
Oh, maybe
Still
wait
right
till
presents back here.
maybe wait till McLean comes.
There's a red
and she
present.
came with
Chris,
this cute coat, this ladybug coat.
Wow, Jewel.
She came with these cute shoes. These red ones are cute. And her
Holy
cute
cow, I got another
umbrella.
one.
How did it already break?
K to J from J to J.
Oh,
You kind of went crazy. Huh? You kind of went crazy,
And
Jewel.
she came with this umbrella, but somehow it broke.
That one in the bag. That was just I was at the checkout line.
Came with this.
There when you wrapped, and you said, "It looks like a little went
A lot,
overboard."
Yeah.
It's not a lot.
And there's
Well, I
baby
just heard that
Beckham.
you needed your piano.
Let's go.
Alright, do you have your eyeballs open shut?
That's
Close
a
your
good
eyes.
present.
Hey,
Are they closed?
they're closed.
His eyes are
Da da
closed.
da da da.
Hold this.
Da 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 da
There
da.
you
Da 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 da.
You can open them.
Oh, wow. Holy smokes. Wow, Julie.
It's on. The camera is.
Specialized hard rock.
Wow. Whoa.
Okay, let me see.
It's a KSL special.
Is that where you got it?
Really?
I mean, that's the
How much
top
do you
of the
think I
line
paid
mountain
for
bike.
it?
A lot.
No. 300.
You're kidding.
I stole it from the guy.
Oh
You
my
got your own little
gosh.
tool bag. And Rye says,
We can go do some riding, huh?
well, Rye says now you can go on bike rides with them.
Gerald
I
took
need-
it for a little spin. He's like, those shocks on that thing, man.
I need
Like
help.
a pillow.
I can't hold this
That
in and
is
put her
so
in at the same
sweet.
time, but it's going.
Way to go,
It's probably
bro.
pushing $1,000 bike,
Oh
probably.
yeah, yeah.
Feel how light it is. Pick it up.
He got it from Guthrie's in
Oh
Salt
my
Lake.
That is awesome.
And there's our nanny in the video.
That's why you got the W.
Okay, Rye, gotta go get your brother.
Wow, you did some good shopping.
Here, McLean.
That's why you got
You
the
can-
WD-40. What am I doing?
Videoing her, but I gotta kick mom.
Wow.
Hey, Rye.
That's
I'm gonna
incredible.
stop it for just a sec.